To edit photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26, I can recommend you to use a gallery and built-in features. So go for this photo that you want to adjust and click on this icon. Right now, as you can see, by the way, I'm wondering if you also have this screen issue. I'm not sure what it is, but let's go for a video. First of all, what you can do over here, we can just simply mirror the screen or rotate the picture. We can also change the aspect ratio. There we go. And if you want to revert all of those changes that you have made, you can do this one by one, or you can completely revert them into the default state by clicking here, revert to original. Now, by clicking here, we can apply some filters. By going here, we can adjust all the photo parameters like light balance, brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition. Now, by going forward, we can draw all those pictures. We can add some stickers. For example, this one. We can copy those stickers if we want. We can mirror them or delete by clicking on this icon. And of course, we can change its size and rotate like you want. We can also add the full text and customize the font, alignments, color of the font. And when we go here, we can also find some other features like some face effects, background blur, spot color, color mix. And by clicking here, we can find some AI features. For example, we can find the AI eraser. We can move some objects here. And when you go back from this one, we can also find some creation process, some styles, so we can bring the retro anime style for this picture. And now if you make some changes and you want to save this, well, all you have to do is just to click the save button. There we go. Take a look how it looks. For me, pretty cool actually. And we can generate one more even to see some difference. Click down if you like it, and you will have to click save copy in the right upper corner.